Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch it full before subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Welcome to Weta Workshop here in Auckland. Weta Workshop first branch is in Wellington, New Zealand, the capital of New Zealand. This Auckland branch is located just adjacent to the Sky City Hotel. You can see some props from the projects and films that they have done in the past. Be amazed of the details. And some souvenirs that you can buy. Do you recognize them? How about this one? Did you watch this movie? And of course, the swords. Please check my previous video about film locations in Queenstown. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. And this is the start of our tour. We have a tour guide and she will show us around. We enter into this place full of boxes, and there are some mysterious place that you need to find. And yes, one of those boxes is hiding the door to the reception, and here we are. And these pieces are the miniatures that they have used in the previous films. Have a look at it, and where did you see them? If you like it so far, please like and subscribe. And if you can, please give super thanks. Thank you. And finally, the reception opens. Does he look real to you? And yes, this is how Weta Workshop looks like inside. I noticed about the fascination of insects and how they get some inspiration from it. Mind you, this is some of their plans for the film. And just to let you know that Weta Workshop was the one behind the Dubai Expo last year about the giants. And nope, this guy is not real. They're very creative, aren't they? And if you remember some castles in The Lord of the Rings, this is how they shoot them. Hindi po sila malalaking castle, hindi rin po sila tunay na castle. Bale, ginawa lang po silang actually miniature and then napalaki lang po ng, through the computer. Now you get the idea? Very creative. Some of the props from their previous projects are concentrated here. And this is how they make a tree. And just to let you know, the recent film Avatar, and the first and the second one are both made here in New Zealand from also Weta Workshop. If you like some scenery or locations in Avatar, then and if you haven't been to New Zealand, then some of it seems like you've been there because you can see the beautiful, breathtaking scenery. And yes, this is the mesh wire clothing, and I can see that they did it piece by piece. I'm not sure from what type of movie this came from, and perhaps you can tell me, and please do comment if you know about this. Obviously, it's an alien movie. And just to let you know, this one is a giant. And its eyes lighted, connected to the screen. At this point, we are not allowed to video this, so I can only do photos, and so I cannot show you that it's open, the face, it's open. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you can, please give super thanks. Maraming salamat po sa mga umabot sa dulo, and there's more. You can check my Abu Dhabi video blogs, my travel blogs, and my expats life in Abu Dhabi. Yes, we also been to Miracle Garden in Dubai. Thank you, and maraming salamat po muli.